Ni Senate President Win. And he asked my legal opinion. Ang sa atin kasi, ano ba ang basehan noong 16? Unang-una, the Constitution. No? Pangalawa, siyempre, yung presidents ng impeachment trials. And based on these two, no, ang position ko, and I think this was likewise announced by Senate President Win, is it is 16. Diba? 16 of 24 is the number. Because in the impeachment trial of Corona, former Chief Justice Corona, of which I was a judge, diba? The president was 16. Diba? The number we needed to convict was 16. And my understanding also is nung panahon ni former President Estrada, likewise, although hindi natuloy, no, na udlot, ika nga, but the position taken then was at 16 to convict. So if you ask us, my opinion is we stick to what has been the precedent, which is 16 votes to convict. Now, if they want to bring this, if they want to question this, that's really up to either the defense or the prosecution to present before the impeachment court.